Transitioning into project management can be a rewarding career move, but it's important to understand the necessary steps to succeed. Whether you're coming from a different role or industry, project management requires a unique skill set and mindset. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps to help you transition into project management successfully. Step 1. Understand the project management role. And learn the basics. A project manager is responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects. You'll manage timelines, budgets, resources, and teams. 2. Key skills. Project managers need to be good leaders, communicators, and problem solvers. Focus on improving these core skills. Step 2. Gain relevant knowledge and certifications. 1. Get educated. Consider a degree or a certification in project management. Popular certifications include PMP, Prince2, and Agile. 2. Learn methodologies. Familiarize yourself with different project management methodologies such as Waterfall, Agile, and Lean. Step 3. Build experience and skills. And start small. Begin with small projects or assist experienced project managers. This allows you to gain hands-on experience. 2. Volunteer. If you're new to the field, volunteering for projects within your current job is a great way to gain experience without making a career change right away. Step 4. Strengthen your soft skills. And leadership. Project management requires strong leadership skills. You'll need to guide teams, manage conflicts, and make decisions under pressure. 2. Communication. As a project manager, you must communicate clearly with your team, stakeholders, and clients to keep everyone on the same page. Step 5. Seek mentorship. And learn from the experts. Find a mentor in the project management field who can offer guidance and share experiences to help you navigate your career transition. 2. Join a community. Connect with other project managers through forums, LinkedIn, or professional organizations like IPMA. Networking will help you learn from others and grow your skills. Key takeaways. Transitioning to project management involves developing key skills, gaining experience, and obtaining the right education and certifications. By staying proactive, seeking mentorship, and continuously learning, you'll be able to successfully make the leap into project management.